something you're gonna have to deal with are the bugs. Okay, so you're gonna have problems and bugs in your plants, and but there are some ways you can take care of it. Okay, so one of the best soaps to deal with your bugs is Dawn. So if you have Dawn soap, so for example, this plant with this white little things, they are bugs. You have flies. So what you need to do: 1 gallon of water and 1.5 tablespoon of Dawn, and then shake it, put it in a spray, and then spray your plants every day in the morning. Do not spray your plants in the afternoon when it's hot. Okay, that should probably take care of it. For flies, you have vinegar. Vinegar is very good, so you can have these are fruit flies that you usually have in your house. So if you put a small container with a little bit of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, the smell and the sweetness of the vinegar is going to attract the flies. They're gonna dive into it, and they are gonna die. Okay, so you can have this closer to your fruits and your plants. Okay, companion plants. What are companion plants? So they kind of have a relationship and they grow better. Okay, so for example, tomato. If you're planting tomato and close to it you have a basil, or even in the same container, if you have a basil plant in the container where you have the tomato is going to grow much happier. Sometimes even gets the taste of the basil. Tomato and borage. I bought this borage seeds online a while ago. It's a very beautiful plant that has these blue flowers that attract lots of bees. But it's a plant that may take over of your place, or maybe you don't want it, so you have to control it, to buy it and to put in a container and control the growth of it. But it's very good to attract bees. Snow peas and then spinach, so they are very good combinations. Okay, so if you have snow peas and together or very close to it, you have spinach, that's very good. Cabbage and thyme. Cabbage is not something you're gonna plant in a container, but if you have a space where you can have cabbage, it's a very beautiful plant. And if you have thyme close to it, it's going to help it grow better and more beautiful and faster. Okay. Carrots. When you have carrots, and if you have sage close to carrots, that's very good. It's a companion plant. Pepper and onion or garlic. So if you plant pepper and in another container you have onion or garlic, and that they are very close to each other, that helps. Eggplant and radish. Radish is very easy to grow. Yellow squash or any squash and radish. So if you have them close to each other, they are companion plants that help each other. The greatest companion of all is the marigold. So marigold is a very nice plant flower that you find very easily. So if you can plant them in the same container or a container full of them close to your plants, that's a perfect companion for your plant. Okay. All right. So then that's what I had for you, and I wish you have a beautiful garden or container garden. It's amazing to see how much you can do in a small space, and how it's very therapeutic. You're gonna feel very happy and relaxed and very rewarded when you are eating the vegetables that you planted yourself. Thank you for watching.